About a month ago, I did a quick review on a project called PunkPanda. And when I read the white papers on it, I was quite impressed. Number one, I was impressed with the brand because I thought, man, this is just stellar branding. But the second thing that I really noticed that as I read the white papers and what this project was about, I knew for a fact this was gonna be a no-brainer. And so in this video, I am going to do a quick update in terms of the PunkPanda project. I was on the corporate update call yesterday and I was very impressed with how the founders and the dev team actually delivered the information. And so I'm gonna go over a quick update, but as well as I'm gonna do a quick overview of what PunkPanda is all about and where we are at in terms of PunkPanda's pre-sale right here in this video. All right, guys, welcome back to Passive Income Group, where we show you some of the best ways that you can generate passive income right here in the digital space. My name is TOAN, and if you haven't done so yet, as soon as you're done watching this video and you feel like it has provided benefit to you, definitely I would love for you to like, subscribe, smash that bell. That way we can notify you every single time that there's a new video, because quite frankly, it's all about timing in this space, right? And so today we're going to do a quick overview and an update on the PunkPanda project. Now, if you haven't watched the video of me going through a review on the PunkPanda project, there will be a video that's on the top right here. Somewhere it's going to pop up. Make sure you watch that. It's quick. It's an overview. It gives you an idea of what PunkPanda is all about. But in this video, I'll spend 2-3 minutes just kind of give you an idea of what it's about. But simply put, imagine apps like Zoom, WhatsApp, or Dropbox, where we all use every single day, whether we're conversing with our friends or our family, or we're meeting for a meeting. All of these projects are all multi-billion-dollar projects, and yet none of them pay us. Well, PunkPanda is just that. Instead, you're able to earn daily rewards by just simply using the PunkPanda app. And PunkPanda is really what they're focusing on is a secure messaging app, whether it's data transfer, file transferring, or being able to have video conferencing, or just simply just being able to be on the phone with a friend or a family member. You're able to have peer-to-peer encryption using military-grade technology to be able to protect your personal information, your data, your privacy. And so it is, the great thing about it is that as you're using the app, and the more you're using the app and you're sharing with other people, the algorithm actually monitors all that and pays you PunkPanda tokens every 30 minutes. That's right. Smart contract is designed to mint new tokens for you, the user. Even if you don't buy it or you sell anything, you're going to be able to earn new minted tokens every 30 minutes. And the way it works is you simply use the app, you share it with your friends and family, they start using it, and within the app, you're able to actually either swap it for other tokens if you want within the Pancake Swap when it goes live, or you're able to actually stake it and actually increase your APY earnings on it. So it's very, very cool. And so the total supply is 275 million. Their listing symbol is PPM. And when they launched their pre-sale token, hopefully some of you guys were able to get in early enough. But it's still in its early phase right now, so don't have that FOMO, like fear of missing out or any of that stuff. But when it launched at 10 cents currently right now, and I'll double check on it, but it's currently right now around 45 cents right now. But it plans on launching on Pancake Swap at $1. So guys, here's the thing, we're not even halfway yet as a project, and you're able to actually participate midway or before midway, before it hits $1, and get those 10x, 50x on your purchase. And so if you, let's say for example, you didn't even want to participate in the pre-sale tokens, that's okay, because you can actually earn PunkPanda tokens right from your phone. Just like I said, simply all you have to do is download the app. You can download the app right now as soon as the video is done if you haven't done so yet. And once you download the app, you put in the invitation code and you can start sharing it with your friends just like that. Share your friends, they download, they use your invitation code, and you're able to actually have the algorithm mint new tokens for you every 30 minutes. And I also like the fact that they have a sophisticated backing of what Bitcoin has, that there is a halving schedule at the 2-year mark, the 4 and the 8-year mark. And the great thing about it is that whatever you purchase based on the amount, you're able to have staking rewards on top of that every single month. So for example, on the chart on the right side, you can see $50 to $1,000. You'll be able to earn 9% addition a month staking rewards on your pre-sale purchase. 1,000 to 5,000 will get you 10% a month. 5,000 to 10,000 get you 12% a month. And 10,000 to 100,000 will get you 15% a month. Again, you can watch the video that popped up earlier and you can watch an entire overview on it. I want to give you a quick update on this. But like I said, you don't have to participate in the pre-sale. You can actually be able to just download the app and earn token rewards by simply using it. Now, in addition to that, if you decide to participate in the pre-sale, all you have to do is go to the referral link, and I will have a referral link below. If someone invited you to watch this update video, make sure you go to them and get their invitation link in terms of pre-sale token purchases. But if you are part of the passive income group community or PIG and you want to be able to participate, there is an invitation link below for pre-sale purchases, and you can actually create a free account and you can actually purchase with TOAN, BNB, or Ether. Okay. So if you have any questions or anything, drop a comment or questions below. I'll make sure I'll get back with you right away. Or you can join our Inner Circle Telegram group below in the description, and I'll make sure that our community answers your questions as well. And as you decide to create a free account and you make some purchases on pre-sales, what's great about it is that you can actually refer other people, and as they purchase, you can earn all the way down to 12 levels of direct referral one-time commissions on these purchases. And you also earn staking rewards as the first 5 levels that purchases, as they stake their earnings automatically, you're earning staking rewards anywhere between 1% to 8%. Again, get back to the video that I recorded in the beginning to get you an update. Let's talk about the update and the reason why we're watching this video. I was on the webinar and I was quite impressed in terms of the update, and I'm very excited and I'm very bullish about this project. And quite frankly, it's because of the dev team and the founders and the lead consultants are behind it. I actually know them for several years, and I absolutely think that they are stellar group of people that are making sure that they're on top of the ball game, and they're very transparent. To me, I'm not really into like the sales and the hype and stuff like that. And as you guys probably watch my videos, I literally only review projects that I think there's potential. And if it's either a medium or high risk, I definitely warn you guys that this might be something that you want to be able to experiment or whatever. But for educational purpose only, I do make sure that I let you guys know, part of the community, to know that these are certain things that you got to look out for. And so I think this is a very, very simple project that nobody loses, okay? Because why? You can earn the tokens for free by just simply using it and sharing it. I like this, okay? Marcus actually said that the biggest thing about this community is that he wanted to make sure that everyone understands that the only commodity that they have with all of us that are very bullish of this project is trust. And trust doesn't mean that you have the best selling skills in the world. It's about being transparent, being upfront and honest, whether it's good or bad. And that's what he actually promises to the community. And I thought that is amazing, okay? And I will make sure that I will have the link to the recording to the actual update from the founders below in the description as well. So that way you can actually watch it. Today is more of a quick overview for my fellow communities here at Passive Income Group. Now let's continue on with token pre-sales. Token pre-sales, it started October 29. Like I said, it went from 10 cents to 45 cents. And since the last update, we're talking about just a few weeks ago, they went from 57,000 registrations to 65,000. So, I mean, this is definitely climbing. And their goal is to complete at $1 and list on PancakeSwap. The contract address. They've actually mentioned that the contract address is something that people have been asking through the Telegram groups or being able to messaging the founders or whatnot. But they don't want to be able to give this contract address yet because their biggest concern is that there will be copycats and scammers out there that will create a PunkPanda wannabe contract address, and while you're actually swapping, you might swap to the wrong address or whatnot. And they said that, look, we're not going to list it out yet until we get closer to the launch date on PancakeSwap. Fair enough. Massive new utility case for PPM. So we will talk about that project in a second. Pre-sale is once in a Panda lifetime. I love how he says that. So the idea right now is that you're able to get in at 45 cents, and when they list at $1, I mean, guys, that is, we're talking about, you know, XXXX on your money, you know, potentially. Okay. Now, again, I am not your financial advisor. I am not your, you know, stockbroker or any of that stuff. Okay. As you guys know, that I am just a crypto enthusiast, and I'm just letting you know on educational purposes that this is what I love to do and what I'm looking at in terms of things that I'm excited about. Okay. So just know that anything that I tell you, that 100% that is, cryptocurrency is very volatile. And so just know that everything is at your own risk. So in terms of token pre-sale commissions, it's been astounding. There's people who've earned 73,000 PPM tokens, and that at the current value is $33,000. Here's another one at $38,000 on pre-sale, just selling the pre-sale tokens early on. In addition to not selling it, but whatever you earn, you can actually stake it on top of that in your back office. This one is $52,000. Oh my goodness. And in terms of PunkPanda Farm, you must get a referral link to set up an account. So like I said, if you don't have a link, make sure you get with whoever that shared you this video. But if you don't have one, below, we will provide a link for you to support the passive income group community. And the selling rule applies is make sure that that there's a minimum of $50 of purchase to earn commissions. There is an algorithm in the back that you have to purchase a certain amount, so make sure it's $50 or more. Now know that there's different components when it comes to staking and being able to have the PPM on PancakeSwap or whatnot. But know that the most simplest thing that you can do right now is be able to purchase some pre-sale tokens. That's the stage where we're at right now, pre-sale tokens. Automatically it'll be staked, and then as soon as it hits $1, during that phase they'll transition into being able to work on different components, whether it comes to PancakeSwap or being able to actually all the other components, right? So I want to be able to keep it really simple in this video. Now with the PandaApp, they did a beta version audit, and just know that, again, make sure you go below to watch the actual video in terms of the corporate update. But there's 5 different issues that they are prioritizing to be able to resolve. And they would have never known this if they didn't do a full audit. And they basically, when they did the audit, they found out that there were issues in the servers, the database, the Panda Pals, which are the people who are signing up through your referral link through the app, and the actual Panda app in itself. And the 5 issues in terms of being able to solve a better customer service support through a ticketing system, they're integrating that. Message notifications with the app. The contacts wasn't syncing and being able to send that first message between friends and family member, that wasn't working correctly. And in the back office of the pre-sales, logging in, there was issues with reports, as well as be able to access the bonus PPM commissions. They're all going to update all 5 of those issues. So many of these things will be prioritized, will be fixed. And the one thing I will say is that this is great because a lot of projects out there, they don't give you these updates. They just start working with them, but communication is key. And I think that's why I really support this community, as well as the founders of this project. So with PandaApp, I think this is the fun thing that I like to talk about, is that even though it's a beta version, as you are today, you can download the app if you haven't done so yet. And the invitation link is below, but again, make sure you go with whoever invited you. But you can get the invitation link below, and all you have to do is download the app and use it. Just literally use it and then share with other people, and it's minting you new PPM tokens every 30 minutes. And this person earned 1,491 PPM tokens, and it's automatically staked, which is great. And this person right here is a friend of mine, actually picked up 2,344 PPM tokens. Now at the current value of PPM, it is 45 cents. So do the math. That's some great extra income. And this is in Nigeria, Philippines. And just think about that. These two countries, the value of their actual fiat currency, local currency, is just not that good. So this is just great extra income. And USA 4,528, Russia. So very, very cool. Indonesia 1,142 tokens, 5,000 tokens, and of course in Thailand 5,225 tokens. So these are very, very rewarding, and 100% of this is all earned for free through using it, sharing it with other people. And the key behind is that there's an algorithm that the more you use it, the more the minting is directed towards you. So this is very, very interesting. They did a quick announcement on this, but this is a huge announcement. PandaPlay, which is the division within the PunkPanda products, they're launching sports fantasy app, and the web version is going to be available by Christmas, and 100,000 users will be already working towards downloading this app, which means there will be a lot of use case behind it. And the only way that you can place bets is through PPM PunkPanda tokens. And they're going to have right away, the goal is to have 1 million active users by May 2022. One of the first crypto sports fantasy apps within the cryptocurrency space. And their focus right now, I'm just speed throughing everything because I want to keep it simple for you guys. But that, I know I just breezed through the sports betting app, but guys, here's the thing. Sports betting is huge. It's big everywhere, all over the world, and people love it. There's a big industry for it, multi-billion dollar industry. And so being able to actually have access to that, and the only way you can have access to playing games, play to earn games, the only way you can do that is through PunkPanda tokens. So NFT games, play to earn games, these are all huge in the DeFi space. And so I will tell you this is that PunkPanda is introducing many different projects. So that way there's a lot of utility behind the token. And that's why I think this is going to be huge. So their focus is all the things that you can see right in front of you on the corporate standpoint and the community standpoint of developing out the Panda app, the PandaPlay, and keeping everyone informed, because massive communication is very important. But right now as a community, they're urging all of us to just focus on continuing with the pre-sale, focus on earning free PPM through Panda Pals by referring people with your invitation code, and then focusing on free PPM from the interest, right, of just being able to use it yourself. Focus on setting correct expectations. Just know that they are in the beta phase right now, that nothing's perfect, but the key is that they're going to keep us informed through communication. So if you haven't done so yet, make sure that you opt into their Telegram group. There's two different Telegram groups. There is our Telegram group where we provide support, resources, but also, most importantly, you want to plug into the PunkPanda actual official community, their Telegram, so that way you're informed as well. So guys, that's pretty much it. I know this was a little bit more formal. I asked the founders to be able to give me the slides so I can actually do a brushstroke through this, but exciting project. I think it's huge. I'm very bullish about it. I will have the link to the actual corporate update recording. It's about 30 minutes, but it's for those of you that are very interested in details. I think this is very important to be able to watch. And below also, I will have the link to for those that are interested in the pre-sale tokens, you can create a free account and make your first purchase of $50 or more pre-sale at the 45 cent currently right now at the time of recording this video. You can do that. And also there will be a link to download the app as well with the invitation code. So guys, that's pretty much it. This is the newest update to the PunkPanda project. I'm excited about it. And any questions, any comments, drop it below. and look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care, everybody.